Okay, let's cut into this bad boy. Look at that. No green. No green at all. If you got green yolks here, it's overcooked, and that is perfect every time. Hey, everybody. Welcome to It's Just Food with Mike. I'm Mike. I'm going to show you today how to make perfect hard-boiled eggs every single time. There's a little process I do where I have no green yolks, because that is an overcooked egg. All you need is your eggs, water to cook them in, and ice water to shock them in. That's it. Okay, so what I do is I put the eggs in here into a dry pot, and then just enough water to cover them with as I get it all over the place. So that's all the water you need. It's going to come to a boil and boil for 2 minutes. And then we're just going to cover it and let it sit. Okay, so now we're at a full boil. We're going to let this go for 2 minutes. Set your timer. Okay, there's our timer. Turn off the heat, cover it, and let it sit for 11 minutes. There's our timer. We take it over to the sink. We drop it in. Don't be nice about it. I want them to crack a little bit. It helps actually peel them. We drop it right into the ice water. Just like that. Okay, so after I cool them down, while they're cooling down, really, I'll peel them. And then I put them in a container with water. I store them in the water, in the fridge, with the top on it. Just want to show you real quick what these look like now. There won't be any green on this egg. Okay, let's cut into this bad boy. Look at that. No green. No green at all. If you got green yolks here, it's overcooked, and that is perfect every time. Okay, so that's how I do my hard-boiled eggs. Put them into water, gently, so you don't have them broken. Bring them up to a boil. Boil for 2 minutes. Take them off the heat and cover for 11 minutes. Be rough with them after that, and then get them in ice water. They peel relatively easy. The fresher the eggs, the better. Now, this is for large eggs. If they're extra large, it's going to be different times. Small eggs, jumbo eggs, it's all going to be different. For large eggs, bring it up to a boil from cold water. 2 minutes at a boil. 11 minutes covered off the heat. So that's all there is to it. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.